Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to build your own workout routine on the MyFitnessPal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the more button down below and then click on workout routines in the middle of the screen. After that you should go to the my routines section and click on build routine, which is the last button down below. After that click on add exercise, and here you should type in the name of your exercise that you want to add as the first entry of your workout routine, or you can also check out the top exercises here, and if you have found the one, click on the this circle next to it, and then until the check mark icon is put into that box next to your exercise, tap on the add button. You can add more exercises at once, so tap on the button down below, and here you can see the two items, or the items that have been added to your build routine section. After that you should modify the duration here. As you can see, it's an auto-calculate duration that has been calculated according to the number of exercises added, and the estimated calories are also indicated. Here you can add instructions to your exercises, and also the kilogram and repetition number can be added. You can add the set number, and if you click on the three dots icon, you can remove, duplicate, reorder your exercise and modify the stats as well. You can do the same steps concerning the other exercises that has been added, and then if you are done with the exercises and editing them, you can add the routine name at the top and a description or notes to it. If you tap on the lock item, you can select the privacy options concerning your routine, so you can control who can see this, either only you, your friends, or everyone. So tap on the relevant one and then click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen to build your routine. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.